Hi everybody and welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining when do you need to have an int around your input and when you don't. So let's get started. So first of all, just to compare the difference if you have an int and not, I'll remove the int from the input and I'll run the code. And now it will ask me for a number. So now what happens if instead of entering a number, I will enter text. So if I enter text and I press on enter, it prints the text. Well, I thought I asked to enter numbers. So this could really mess up your system if you are creating something that you have to have a number. And if someone enters text, it could ruin the whole system. So for that, you need to have ints. So now if I put back the int and I run the code, now if the user enters text, it will give him an error. And it won't let the user to continue to the next step, and that's to print it. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.